Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and connectivity. Plug the JBL Link Portable into power and wait until the LED shows charging. This prevents drops during setup. Open the Google Home app. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled so the app can discover the speaker. Once done, press the speaker's power button and hold the Bluetooth/pairing icon briefly to enter pairing mode. The LED will flash, and the device becomes visible to the app and to nearby devices. You'll now use Google Home to finish pairing and configure voice features. Open the app and tap Add Device, then set up New Device in your home. The app searches and should list JBL Link Portable. Tap it. Make sure you select the correct Wi-Fi network and enter the password so the speaker can access network services. Allow microphone and location permissions when prompted because they enable Google Assistant and device discovery. After configuration, the app runs final tests and confirms successful setup. You finish by verifying everything works. Play audio from the app or your music service and say, "Hey Google," to confirm Assistant responds. Make sure the speaker firmware is up to date. Google Home will prompt if an update is available, and updates fix many bugs. If pairing or network connection fails, perform a factory reset. Power on, then press and hold volume up and play together until LEDs flash. After reset, repeat setup. If problems persist, try a different phone or restart your router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.